Good morning, one and all present over here. Today we are going to start chapter number 9, The Making of National Movement, 1870s to 1947. Now let's recap. So, our first topic of this chapter is the emergence of nationalism. Within about 100 years, the British took control of almost every aspect of life in India. Many Indians began to feel that the British control had to end to make India the country for Indians. Two acts of British Arms Act 1878, the Vernacular Press Act 1878, Albert Bill 1883, the bills not equality between British and Indian judges in the country. So, our second topic of this chapter is the Indian National Congress 1885. So, our next topic is A Nation in the Making. In its first 20 years, the Congress was moderate in its objective and methods. During this period, the main demand of Congress was about getting voice for Indians in the government and administration. Freedom in our birthright. By 1890s, critics of moderates, radicals, first was Bipin Chandrapal, second Bal Gangadhar Tilak, third Lala Rajpat Rai. They believed in self-rule, Swaraj. Freedom is my birthright and I shall have it. This was said by Tilak. These are the pictures of Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandrapal. Now, the growth of mass nationalism. After 1990, the struggle against Britain rule gradually became a mass movement involving peasant, tribal, student, and women in large number and factory workers. The First World War broke out in 1914 and alerted the economic and political situation in India. India was dragged into the war, and this led to a huge rise in defense expenditure of the government of India. Increased military expenditure and the demand for war supplies led to a sharp rise in prices, which create great difficulties for the common people. The advent of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji was 49 years old when he came to India after leading the Indians in South Africa in non-violent marches against racist restriction. Indian National Congress. The Indian National Congress was established in December 1985. Around 72 delegates attended the first meeting of Indian National Congress held in Mumbai. Gandhiji's method of fighting was known as Satyagraha, which was based on principles of truth and non-violence. The Rolette Satyagraha. The Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. The Khilafat agitation. Picture related to Khilafat movement. The non-cooperation movement. People's Initiative. The happenings of The happenings of 1922 and 1929. In February 1922, a crowd of peasants set fire to a police station in a Chowri Chowra. Gandhiji was against violence and those called off the non-cooperation movement immediately.
Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru argued that the party should fight elections to the councils and enter them in order to influence government policies. Civil disobedience movement was launched in 1930 under the leadership of Gandhiji. The formation of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS) and the Communist Party of India were the two important developments of the mid 1920s. Thank you. Now we will